Aha. Yes, my name is Steven Maina. I have been with the Neta EV electric vehicle for almost a month now. And I have seen, compared to the other fuel car, I have seen Neta have done me a lot because they have saved me more money than fuel car. Also, due to the environmental issue, also Neta car is doing very well because of green energy. It is supporting the green energy according to the environment. Now you know the environment is becoming so hostile because of warm, and when we use this electric car, we are promoting an environment. So for me, electric car is the way to go. Is the way to go now. And in the future, I think the only thing that we have, our customers are very good because they are commenting about it. They are comfortable, more comfortable than the other cars. The car is very good inside. It is clean leather, and the car is also very good in moving because it is it is much comfort than the other cars if compared with the other cars. Fuel car, the dust inside, it does not promote the dust inside because there is no fuel, there is no gas inside. We have aircon, which is very good, doing very good. And also, right now, according to the customer, they are commenting about it. So we need to increase more car in electric so that we can cater for our environment. And also, the government should chip up because the car is too expensive for us. Because I think because of taxation, they should mind about us because of that taxation. And I would urge the government to do something about it because the car is very good and it is going to help the Kenya economically. I'm being helped economically, and also I'm growing as the car is coming here to help us. This driver, the drivers, we are very happy for this introduction of this car. That's what I can say about it, and I urge the Kenya Power also to increase the charging for the cars because if they are becoming too many, the charger will be a problem for charging these cars. So I urge the government to increase the chargers for these cars so that we can charge quickly and then we go to our work. That's correct.